COVID-19 deaths still high in India. Health Ministry says rate of increase has fallen considerably. Dolamara inhabitants urge Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for revival of this functional veterinary clinic. Pastor distributes food items in Tumprain. Hello viewers, you are with Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news of the day. With the announcement of several relaxation, the third lockdown came into effect in India from today. People stranded across the country are seen returning home in special trains. India, however, still has high death toll in new cases. Here is a report. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan today informed that the rate of increase in COVID cases in the nation has seen a fall today. However, there was a total increase of 2,806 cases on Sunday. With that, total cases in India have risen up to 42,607, out of which 1,395 have died. On May 3, 68 deaths were reported. At present, the country has a recovery rate of 89.1%, while the death rate is 10.9%. On the other hand, 165 new cases and 4 deaths have been reported today till the time of filing this report. Among the states, Maharashtra has seen the highest numbers of deaths, with 521 persons losing their lives to the disease. In Assam, a total of 43 cases were reported, out of which only 1 death was reported. Meanwhile, no corona cases have been reported in the Twin Hill district of Karbi Anglong, as it is still identified as Green Zone district. NewsDesk report, Karbi Anglong Live. There has been a huge sigh of relief among the people of the Hill district, Karbi Anglong, since the announcement of lockdown 0.3 on Sunday. More from a report. Large numbers of private and commercial cars and vehicles were seen plying on the road at the district headquarters today. The numbers of people in the market has been visibly higher than earlier days of lockdown period. Grocery shops and street vendors were seen operating in more numbers, while customers also seen maintaining guidelines in town. In addition to this, both sellers and customers at the market were also seen maintaining distances, and overcrowding and use of face masks were also seen in almost all market areas spread across the town. However, the district administration is also keeping a strict monitor on the functioning of market, and direction have also been issued to public who have not yet been completely familiarized with the latest situation and lockdown guidelines. Several people of the district also expressed their happiness and relief over the relaxation announced by the state government, which came into effect from today. So far, no cases have been detected or reported from both the hill districts of Karbi Anglong, which have been identified as a Green Zone district. NewsDesk report, Karbi Anglong Live. At the time when people around the world are under immense stress and suffering due to the corona pandemic, the piggery farmers of Dolamara also extremely worried as reports of swine flu spreads to the area. Here is a report. Local people say that they have not seen any veterinary doctor for 25 years. According to the villagers, the clinic was only run by a chokidar named Vidya Singh Terang, who carried out vaccination and providing medicines that were available. But unfortunately, the caretaker also passed away 5 years back, and since then, the clinic got completely abandoned. Diseases in pigs are always scary for farmers involved, and they suffer heavy losses when their pigs die due to their inability to vaccinate their pigs. As the flu is spreading across several places in Assam, the affected farmers have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate action to revive the veterinary clinic. RJ Sondrongpar from Dolamara reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. The economic hardship suffered by a huge number of families due to lack of work continues to remain a cause of great concern for both the government and local authority. However, many individual citizens have also contributed towards mitigating the woes of the lockdown-affected families. Let's hear from our Tumpreng correspondent. Pastor Babuson Terang of Rongkuroi Rongrupat Baptist Church today distributed food items to the families who are affected by the nationwide lockdown. The church leader provided rice, salt, oil and soaps to the families who are facing food crisis. Church Deacon Washington Tiso, Secretary Ingti Kathar, PKBA Area 3 President Martin Kathar and ex-chairman Mohen Ingling were also present during the distribution. The pastor told Karbi Anglong Live that it was very painful to see so many families of his locality suffering due to scarcity of food, and he was trying to help according to his capacity. The pastor also expressed happiness for being able to help his neighbors in times like this. Vicky Bay from Tumpreng for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.